The Forms Clinic is something we operate on Thursdays from our task office, where anyone from the public can come in and receive assistance to fill out forms. We will look at any sort of form, from Centrelink forms to citizenship applications, passports, taxi voucher schemes, just any particular form that anyone is having problems with. At the Forms Clinic, I'll go through and assist a person with actually filling out a form. Sometimes there's some clarification that needs to be sought, so we may assist a person to make a phone call to the relevant department or print out other forms that are needed to be part of that. We'll sit down together and work out how questions should be answered. We can help you understand the forms. Quite often we have people come in with Centrelink forms where some of the questions are very confusing, and quite often they are repetitive, or sometimes they'll refer to particular matters that a person just has no idea about. That's where we can help clarify what is actually being asked, or assist them to contact Centrelink to find out how it is relevant to their situation. It really is about removing the confusion from filling out forms. The Forms Clinic operates from 9 till 12 on Thursdays. You can make an appointment by calling our office or dropping in. It's free of charge to everyone. Anyone from the community is eligible to come in to see the Forms Clinic. There are no checks. So when you attend the Forms Clinic, make sure that you bring all the relevant forms. Sometimes you might need your identification, just so that we can get as much done as we can on the one appointment. There is no limit of times that you can attend the Forms Clinic. Because some forms are so big, it may take quite a few hours to complete, which we can break up over the time. The purpose of this sub-program is to assist those members of the community who require help filling in forms such as QCAT applications, superannuation forms, freedom of information forms, work cover forms, criminal history and yellow card forms, Centrelink, electricity rebates, public trustee and disability support pension application forms. At the Forms Clinic, if we identify that you have other issues that you may need help with, we can refer you to other services within TASK or to other services within the community. It is important to realise that the Forms Clinic is not about legal advice, it is about receiving assistance to fill out forms.